Ready? Okay. Hello everyone, this is Project Caritas and I know it has been a while since our last upload, and to be precise, about 2 weeks. A lot of things happened during those 2 weeks. As you can see, I've grown a little bit of beard, but it's not only that. We are still under lockdown here in the UK, so we haven't had any new products to review. But as some of you know, Project Caritas is all about giving. Our mission is to create content that we can then monetize and to donate 100% of all ad profits to charity organizations. So today we decided to talk about some of the companies out there that are giving back during the COVID-19 crisis. First, we're going to start off with Apple. Apple has donated $50 million towards the global COVID-19 response, and it's also matching its employee donations 2-to-1 on a national and international level. Cisco is committing $225 million to the various COVID-19 efforts and had also launched an employee matching gift campaign for $4 million in total giving. Audible is offering hundreds of free titles for children and students. Comcast is offering free internet to low-income customers. Zoom is now free for schools and has lifted its 40-minute meeting limit. Ford Motor Company, GM and Fiat are all shifting gears to lend manufacturing and engineering expertise to help build respirators and ventilators. Allbirds donated $500,000 worth of shoes to healthcare workers. Crocs is also donating 10,000 pairs of shoes each day to healthcare workers. Starbucks is giving a free coffee to all healthcare workers through May 3rd, as well as police officers, firefighters, paramedics, and other hospital or medical staffers. Airbnb will subsidize housing for 100,000 workers at the front lines of COVID-19 care. Facebook launched a $100 million grant program for 30,000 small businesses in 30 countries around the world. Yelp announced $25 million in relief in the form of waived advertising fees, free advertising, and products and services. Ralph Lauren has pledged $10 million to coronavirus relief efforts. Johnson & Johnson has pledged $300 million to support frontline healthcare workers. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Burberry, Hugo Boss, and Mango have all committed to produce and donate together millions of protective face masks and gowns. Gymshark has created a fund for personal trainers to ply their trade and be compensated for it. Tiffany & Co. has pledged $1 million to organizations supporting COVID-19 relief. Armani has donated $1.4 million to hospitals and health organizations in Italy. Spanx is donating $5 million to help female businesswomen struggling during the coronavirus pandemic. Etsy is investing $5 million over the next month to help Etsy sellers continue to have a steady stream of sales. L'Oreal is making hand sanitizers and distributing them for free to care houses, hospitals, and pharmacies across Europe. Salesforce has created a $1.5 million coronavirus fund for affected citizens in San Francisco. And these are only a few of the global firms out there that are helping in times of crisis. But trust me, there are also small and independent companies that are also doing their bit to help stop the spread of the disease, such as Primal Suds, who are donating soaps to the NHS workers in London, or Loopworks, who started manufacturing protective masks and are giving them away for free to essential workers and vulnerable communities in Portland, and Masterclass, who let every Masterclass member gift another person a free annual all-access pass to Masterclass. So what I'm trying to say is that no matter how big or small you are, you can always make a difference. And once again, we from Project Caritas would like to ask you to consider subscribing to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button so that we together can make ads work for the greater good of people. Oh, and while at home, why don't you check our Project Caritas playlist right here? You might end up finding a really interesting sustainable product. Stay home, stay safe, and hit that subscribe button, please.